7.4 Subtract rational expressions. To subtract, you need a common denominator. Example 1, x plus 2 minus 8 over x squared minus 4. You can't factor the left, but we're going to factor the right. X squared minus 4 is a difference of squares. X plus 2, x minus 2. The common denominator is the term on the bottom right, because each of the pieces that were in there have to be in the common denominator. We've got x plus 2, x minus 2. The bottom left will multiply in x minus 2. The bottom right stays. What you do to the bottom, do to the top. X over x plus 2 minus 8 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so the bottom left got multiplied in an x minus 2. Multiply x minus 2 to the left top. Distribute on the top left. X times x, x squared. X times negative 2, negative 2x. There are no like terms, so we have x squared minus 2x minus 8 over x plus 2 times x minus 2. That's just rewritten. However, this is not done because the top factors. Then cancel the x plus 2. So x minus 4 times x plus 2 factors. What multiplies to negative 8 and adds to negative 2 would be x minus 4, x plus 2. The x plus 2's cancel, so we're left with x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Example 2, both denominators factor. Factor each one first. 2x over x squared minus x minus 2 minus 4x over x squared plus 2x minus 8. Each of the bottoms are trinomials with an understood 1, so you want to multiply to the end and add to the middle. To multiply to negative 2 and add to negative 1 is minus 2 plus 1. On the other one, to multiply to negative 8 and add to 2 is plus 4 minus 2. So the common denominator is not what they have in common. Each term that is in the bottom must be in the new bottom. So the common denominator is each of the different pieces, which would be x minus 2, x plus 1, and x plus 4. Everything that's in the bottom is part of your common denominator. Okay, so I just rewrote the problem, and then I rewrote the common denominator. What gets multiplied in the bottom gets multiplied in the top. The left already had minus 2 and plus 1, so x plus 4 needs to get multiplied in. The right already had the minus 2 plus 4, so x plus 1 needs to get multiplied in. I put in bold what is getting multiplied in that's new. Distribute the 2x on the left. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 4, 8x. On the right, distribute negative 4x because it's subtraction. Negative 4x times x, negative 4x squared. Negative 4x times 1, negative 4x. Keep the bottom the same. Combine your like terms on top. 2x squared minus 4x squared is minus 2x squared. 8x minus 4x is 4x. Example 3. 3x plus 1 over x squared plus 7x plus 10 minus 2 over x plus 5. Factor the left denominator. It's a trinomial with an understood 1. What multiplies to 10 adds to 7 is 5 and 2. The common denominator is what is in the left denominator. Okay, we don't lose pieces. It's not what they have in common. Everything that's in the bottom is going to still be in the common denominator. So, the common denominator is what's in the left, which would be x plus 5 over x plus 2. Okay, the left denominator stays the same. The right denominator only had x plus 5. So what does it need to get in order to be the same? You need to multiply an x plus 2 to the top and bottom so that they both have x plus 5 times x plus 2. The original one only had x plus 5. So multiply x plus 2 on that right side. So I just rewrote that. The left stays. Distribute negative 2 on the top right. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Combine your like terms. 3x plus negative 2x, 1x. 1 plus negative 4, negative 3. The bottom stays the same, so it's over x plus 5 times x plus 2. That's the end.